to another science lecture. In this video, we are going to learn about digestive system. Friends, do you know what is digestion? Digestion is the process of breaking down food so that it can be used by the body. What is digestive system? The digestive system is a group of organs in our body that helps with digestion. It helps to break down food, absorb nutrients from food, and get rid of the waste. All animals have digestive systems. Many vertebrates have digestive system that is similar to humans. Here are main functions in digestive system. Number 1, digestion. Number 2, absorption. And the last one is egestion. Let me explain you one by one. Digestion. What is digestion? Digestion means breaking down food into smaller pieces. What is absorption? Absorption means taking useful nutrients into blood. Egestion means removing waste from the body. There are 7 main organs that take part in digestive system to help our body digest food. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. The digestive system starts from mouth. The food is chewed and mixed with saliva. Then it goes into esophagus. It is also known as the food pipe. The food travels to the stomach. Then the food goes in the stomach. In the stomach churns and digests food using juices. Then it goes into small intestine. In small intestine, it absorbs nutrients. And large intestine, it absorbs water and forms waste. Anus removes waste from our body. The digestive system changes the food that we eat into energy and nutrients that our body needs to grow, stay healthy, and function properly. The digestive system also plays a crucial role in removing waste and toxins from our body. Friends, here is the human digestive system labeled. As you can see, the digestion starts from mouth. The food goes into esophagus, then it goes into stomach. After the stomach has digested the food, it goes into small intestine. Then it goes into large intestine and the waste get rid from the body through anus. Friends, I have a question for you. What would happen if humans could not get rid of the waste from their body? Answer the question in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.